YouTube, go subscribe to my YouTube channel, please, and thanks. Please to use these 3 minutes of this song, go over to YouTube and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Munchie B Talks Politics. Me reach. Where's the king? I'm gonna reach 100. You know me not check door. Go and go check king and tell me. Go and go check and tell me there. Go and go check. Good night, nice clean labor rights. Good night, my brother. Good night, labor rights. Good night, comrades. Good night to my nice clean Prime Minister Andrew Michael Ones. Good night, Andre Stefano Stevens, aka P. Diddy, aka Daddy Don't Touch Me There, aka Baby Oil, aka Ali's son. Your glory. Share the YouTube channel, King. Share the YouTube channel and the PNP WhatsApp group, Pancho. Comrades, share the YouTube channel. Share the YouTube channel, comrades. Share the YouTube channel and the PNP WhatsApp group. Comrades, good night. You know why you hear about the court case? You know why you hear about the lawsuit with Stefano filed against me? Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share the live, everybody. Your glory. You make the little thing I do be a sign of big thing, oh. Your grace make a difference, trust me, never ask me, oh. I like it, oh. I like the way you lead me, oh. Diego, share the YouTube channel. Share it on the PNP WhatsApp group. Plenty money everywhere, cause you lead me everywhere. I see Ano Fishano. Good night, Andre. Daddy Don't Touch Me There. Good night, little boy toucher. The toucher of little boys. P. Diddy. Baby Oil, Andre Stefano Stevens. Daddy Don't Touch Me There. It's for your glory. Except you build a house. The builder build it bed. Anywhere you lead me, I go. My life is for your glory. Good night, Daddy Don't Touch Me There, Stefano Stevens. P. Diddy, baby, all Stevens. P. Diddy. Toilet Kitchen, Andre Stevens. Toilet Kitchen. Running Belly Food. Your grace make a difference, trust me, never ask me, oh. I like it, oh. Toilet Kitchen, Andre. So go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. promote the YouTube channel. Go to YouTube and you labor right. Let me tell you something. Labor right people. Every night when itch up over Stefano Stevens YouTube page and listen to the lies and the propaganda and the mischief where I tell. And look from what me tell you if you go subscribe to my YouTube channel and I know me can't reach 1,000. And 1,000 now you cock up over Andre Stevens platform every single night I listen to garbage. Listen to me man, no go and go subscribe to my channel and no make me know have nothing man. His favorite say his favorite. Which boy this I say his favorite? His favorite. Are we Ufa man favorite now? Yeah, Ufa man favorite. His favorite. Yeah, Ufa man favorite. We want to subscribe to my YouTube channel. His favorite. Your boyfriend now go vex. My name on YouTube is JLP Politics. Starting from Sunday night, I am going to go live on my YouTube channel. If I have one person over there, me over there the one person. Good night, Andrew Allness. Good night to my nice, clean Prime Minister. Good night, Andrew Allness. His favorite. The boy them favorites. Go come go subscribe. You're amazing. You make my life feel brand new. You're amazing. You make my life feel brand new. Jesus, you love me too much. Oh. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. JLP Politics. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Labor Rights Comrades. Andre Stefano Stevens, aka Shit Bucket. Go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Your love is patient. You fill my heart with so much peace and joy. You're amazing. You make my life feel brand new. All your promises. These are yay and amen. Come, subscribe to my channel. JLP Talks Politics. Go to YouTube and subscribe. JLP Talks Politics to PNP worst nightmare. What do you think, Dale? We should have changed my name from JLP Talks Politics to PNP bloggers worst nightmare because I'm telling them I'm going to headache, you know. Every single night when I turn on my live, I see some new comrade over here. I don't know what hell from nowhere. And there comes somebody with hair look like him just quick, and set up a profile if you come over here control. Why? We should have changed my name from Munchie B Talk Politics Guru to PNP bloggers worst nightmare. Munchie B. Because me tell you not gang up. Una gang up. Una team up. Una get it together. We come try bring down Munchie B. Eh? The harder they fall, one and all. What's that go? The harder they come, the harder they fall, one and all. Comrades, we have to go team up. We have to go 10,000. We have to go come. We can't change Munchie B. Listen to me now. Good night, labor rights and friends. Now, guys, tap up the screen. Now, I'm gonna get to 10K and me done sing. 10K to start the program. 10K not a word. You know, like when you go a rally and then stop the people and we are singing and say 5,000 not a word. 10K not a word. You know, tap up the screen. 67497. Look like you just start the profile. You're 253 followers. Me don't normally address people who don't have no name and no face. You know, can't dopey that. Once you can't show your name and your face, that to me you're irrelevant. But let me tell you something. Here's what you wrote. Andre Stevens, dead with laugh. Andre Padnadraw, most influential blogger ever. Let me address that. Andre Fishano Stevens is not the most influential blogger. He's the most supported blogger. Yes, because all of the PNP them were desperate for information. Desperate because Mark Golden now sell. Desperate for somewhere if you go each up at night time, go over there, go support him. And there's a lot of PNP in Jamaica, there's a lot of PNP in the diaspora. So of course him have all heap of views. But he's not influential, no time at all. Because Andre Fishano couldn't sway the election to the PNP were there. And Andre Fishano Stevens, and yes, you say, oh, Andre Stevens and whatever, but look on this now. Follow me now, use it. I don't normally follow people and I don't name it, but follow me now, right? From Andre Fishano on YouTube from 2022. You ever hear him come out and say, "My soul nobody yet"? You ever hear him come out and say, "My soul nobody yet"? Small axe, chop down big tree. You hear me tell you that? So just watch me work. Don't talk. Yes, guys. And if you make any more comment, me give you a block. Because I'm not waste time on people who know no name. Alright. No labor rights and friends, well-wishers and independent people. Me see the Non-Integrity Commission, led by one non-integrity Seymour Panton. No credibility, no standard, no substance, no class, no integrity. Send a report to the parliament today. Labor rights. I want to treat this report, whether it's good or bad, like garbage. I want to treat this report like rubbish, like something to throw in a pit, like something to throw in a garbage pan. Ignore it. Don't acknowledge it. Whether it's good or whether it's bad, we don't want to hear nothing at all from the Non-Integrity Commission. We, the labor rights, are not interested in nothing at all that comes from the PNP-led Seymour Panton Integrity Commission. They don't have no integrity. They don't have no integrity whatsoever. They're not relating to us. But they must say, come like nothing to us. Car no ears labor right. Car no ears. Don't even acknowledge it. That is just fake news, propaganda, all does nothing. You see, anytime there's something good going on in Jamaica, and anytime the government is in a good light, here comes the nasty, disgusting, deplorable Non-Integrity Commission led by the No Integrity Justice Comrade Panton, trying to change the narrative and make news. So because the $20,000 cash refund roll out and over 190,000 people sign up And because the Prime Minister went to India and we get good review and the name of street off of Jamaica and we get good review. And because the economy grew by 4%, crime is down and everything is okay and positive. Here come the nasty, deplorable, disgusting, despicable PNP-led Integrity Commission, Seymour Justice, none use, no credibility pantan, sending garbage to the parliament. Labour right, treat this like on something on a step on the ground. Treat this report like garbage. We, the well-thinking Labour right and the well-thinking members of the Jamaican society, we don't want to hear absolutely nothing from the Integrity Commission because they don't have no integrity right now. They don't have no integrity. Somebody need to investigate them. Somebody needs to investigate Seymour Panton and Greg Christie and Evans Steve, well, them one name, because they don't have no credibility whatsoever. The Integrity Commission need to tie up in one plastic bag and throw down a river and go get PNP people to eat for food. Disregard this report. Whether it be good, whether it be bad, we don't care. We, the Labour right, don't care with what is in the report, Steve. We don't care with what come in the report, whether it is good about the party, good about the government. We don't care because it is garbage. It is garbage. It is a political interference, a political witch hunt. The PNP-led Integrity Commission is sellout and buyout and have no credibility, no standard, no substance. So me hear about it today, but me just kiss my teeth because I don't want to hear from Integrity Commission. And let me tell you something. To the PNP-led civil society group, let me sound the alarm from now and tell you. You can't bother waste no time and talk about nobody for resign or step aside or not, because first of all, based on the constitution, only person who can move a member of parliament is through election when they vote them out. So you big mouth Michael Jackson, your mouth full of teeth, front teeth, your mouth full of teeth like zip, with your mouth big like pants pocket, and you Jeanette Calder, all of who know, what's the other one name? What the other one name? But the other one is to work a nationwide name. Oh, no bother waste on no strength tomorrow. Don't even bother waste on no strength when the report come out and come out and talk about, oh, member of parliament will step out. Waste no time. Nobody now step aside. No member of the Jamaica Labour Party led by Andrew Michael Holness will not step aside because of no garbage that is sent to the parliament by the non-integrity commission. Let me repeat that. No member of the Andrew Holness-led administration will be stepping aside due to any cook up, due to any false report, any fake report sent to the parliament by the non-integrity, non-credibility establishment who ups us, you know. We waste time and waste taxpayer money. So you can't forget it. We don't want to hear nothing from the Integrity Commission. We don't care about the Integrity Commission. We don't care about the PNP-led commission. We don't care about Seymour Panton, who is compromised, who have no credibility, who don't have no respect for him. He's a nasty, nasty, dirty, despicable human being to Donald Trump. We don't have no respect for Seymour Panton when we see him. No respect whatsoever. And based on that, we, the member of the Jamaica Labour Party, is saying you can take your report we are sent to the parliament and chew it up and yam it, because we, the member of the Jamaica Labour Party, do not care. So me see the little chip bucket Stefano Stevens panning program tonight. Put up, but daddy report is said that the report they could have stayed. Andre, you could have used the report there and wipe your ass for tissue because you have no tissue in your little canoe bathroom where you have. We, the member of the Jamaica Labour Party, we do not care. That don't sway with one bit. That don't jerk with one bit. We don't care about the PNP-led Integrity Commission, led by no integrity, no credibility, no class, no substance, Seymour Pantan. All right. Number 2. You see, PNP people and PNP media and the PNP members, you see the desperate, power-hungry members of the People's National Party, every single day on prove to the people of Jamaica, so no will do anything to win. No, the one-room blue barrel Andre Stefan. Let me tell you, let me put disclaimer from now, comrade. Every 2 minutes, me go call Andre Stefano Stevens' name. So, uno go on from now. So, the little shit bucket, Andre Stefano, Fishano, Stevens, daddy don't touch me there over YouTube. He set up one woman for call him since night. One PNP girl, when me know she not gone no school, she not get no scholarship. We don't know who give she scholarship. So like say she want to go hungry belly PNP person for a mark goal in constituency. So the PNP set up one hungry belly comrade for a Mark Jefferson goal in constituency for call Andre program since night. And I tell BLI Pang Tuftan, let me tell you something, Andre Stevens. Tuftan no love man and Tuftan no love boys. Okay? So stay in your lane. And stop call up the man name because anything you feel like you want like views, you're there for your platform a ball out the throat hole with your big black tongue. And I call out the man name. Tuftan don't love man and Tuftan don't love boys. You set up one PNP girl from a Riverton dump. You set up one PNP girl from a Riverton dump since night. For call the program. Tell lie about this and the scholarship and I ask for 3 guarantor and this and that. Let me tell you something, comrades. We don't say fake news that because first of all, comrade not sign up for no scholarship. Comrade not sign up for no scholarship guru. If I hand out, if I sugar and rice and flour give out now, comrade not sign up for it. If I sugar and rice and chicken back, or if I the PAD program, comrade not sign up for absolutely no scholarship. So that is why I know say a lie when I tell. You PNP people set up one PNP girl. We call the program since that and tell lie pan Tuftan, but Tuftan said this and Tuftan said that, and you forget 3. Let me tell you something. People in a first world country, United States of America, can't even get scholarship for go to school, much less. People in a first world country, United States of America, pay over much $1,000 for go to college. So if the government of Jamaica use with taxpaying dollar to give you a scholarship, you don't follow the criteria. And if you don't qualify, you don't go about to the business and go pay on a school fee and make on a man pay it. You know what? Every time the PNP people forget something from the government is a problem. You forget to say on the phone, someone not even pay tax. Someone not even pay tax in this country, and the government of Jamaica are used with taxpaying dollar to give you some scholarship and find all type of fault. And people in a first world country would have loved one of them the scholarship there. You think so the government, let me ask you a question, lady, we call it program. You claim to say you get scholarship, you qualify for scholarship. You see, you want the government of Jamaica to give you our taxpaying dollar to go to school, and when you don't run go to America. You want the government of Jamaica, lady, to use with taxpaying dollar to give you scholarship to go to school. And when you're done this, your education, you put your foot in your hand and run to America. That you want, no sanky, no sing so. If you don't want, follow the proper procedure and the criteria and follow the farm and get get where you forget, you go on over Mark Gold, you make Mark Gold give you scholarship. And you go and go pay money and go on to school. You're outsider. You outsider called program about this and that. If you don't have the necessary paperwork, you don't meet the criteria, go and go pay a school fee, madam. Go and go pay a school fee. Tuftan never call if you come sign up for no scholarship. Tuftan never come here and come knock your door and ask if you sign up. He never send call you. Say if you don't meet the criteria, go on, no mama. Go on about your business, the dirty PNP girl. Go on about your business because in a PNP time under Percival, Noel James Patterson, Percival couldn't go no scholarship. In take a couple of and send go Cuba, and if you're on a PNP, you couldn't get no Cuba scholarship. And this Andrew Holness-led government is using our taxpaying dollar to go on a scholarship, and you don't want the government to tie you down so you can work back with money and give it back in this country? You're crazy. Eh? Go and go pay your school fee, mama. Go and go make your parents pay it, or your man where you sleep with pay it. You don't have to take the scholarship. You don't have to take the scholarship, mama. Because Tufton never come your yard, come call you and ask you if you want a scholarship. It didn't send for you. You applied for the scholarship. And when you apply for the scholarship, these are the criteria. You need to get people to sign for this, sign for that, and you need to send in certain paperwork. What is wrong with that? Eh? What is wrong with that? You apply for a scholarship, anywhere you go, rule and laws there. Only in Jamaica, you think Jamaica is free for all. Only in Jamaica, you think Jamaica is free for all. One of the America, you follow every single rule and law what Joe Biden put in place. One of the England, you follow every single rule and law that Keir Starmer and Rishi Sunak put in place. But anytime it comes to Jamaica, is a problem. And it is always the PNP people that give the most trouble in the country. Always the Mark Golding PNP people giving the most problem in the country. Now you apply for a scholarship in America. When you apply for a scholarship and you get a scholarship for people in college, you have to follow them, you have to follow the rules. If they say you can't work more than 30 hours, you can't go over the 30 hours. If they say you cannot work on the scholarship, you cannot work on the scholarship. But in Jamaica, when you want Tufton, we just take up the taxpayer money and go no for scholarship, and you don't sign no paperwork and you don't follow no criteria. So as soon as you done now, you take put foot in your hand and run down America. Eh? No sanky no sing so, comrades. No sanky no sing so. If you cannot follow the stipulation, go to America. Go and go pay on a school fee. Because Tufton never send call, you know. Every time, every single time, you come with this bullshit. Every time. You don't want to follow rules and law. You don't want to follow nothing at all. You need a guarantor, CJ, so in case when you run Ghana America, the government can get back the money from your guarantor. That is why we need a guarantor. Because the government of Jamaica is taking up over how much million of taxpayer that give you to go to school. That's why the government have to find a way to pin you down so you can pay back the money. What kind of dumb question is that? What type of dumb question is that? We are not here people that get scholarship and you know pin them down to pay back the money. Eh? We're not here that ever happened in which country, in which world. Eh? Everything we don't make a problem with. Everything is a problem to the PNP people. Eh? Even if you are working in a private sector, and private sector send you back to school, you them make you sign papers, so you have to work back with them if clear up back for the money where them spend pay for go to school. And on the PNP people, what no go about on the business? PJ Patterson never put no policy in place for no go to school, you know. Portia Simpson did not put any policies in place for you guys to go to school. And now the Andrew Holness administration giving you guys a chance to go back to school. I don't want to just take the education and run to America. It not going to work. It's not going to work, comrade. So I'm going to dirty comrade PNP people and you dirty PNP girl. We call Andre Stevens since night. If you cannot follow the procedure, mama, go on, go pay your school fee. If you cannot follow the procedure, go and pay your school fee. Nobody never send call you. No one sent for you. Okay? All right. Next thing now on the agenda. Guys, Mr. Ring the bell. Mark Jefferson Golden. Mark Jefferson Golden, the highest paid politician in Jamaica. Mark King. Mark Golden come up at work today? Did Mark Golden turn up to work today, King? Mark Jefferson Golden, the highest paid politician in the country. I don't know what to say about you. Every single time you come to the parliament, Mark Golden, you leave before time. Where you go, Mark Golden? What do you have so important to do on a Tuesday than the people's work? Come here, Mark Golden. Come here. Comrades, share the live in the PNP WhatsApp group. Come on, ask the opposition leader something. More ask the opposition leader what me I pay with my tax dollar something. Mark Golden, why is it that every single week when you come to the parliament, you cannot stay until the end of the year? Why is it that every single week when you come to parliament, Mark Jefferson Golden, you have to leave middays through the proceeding? Why? Where you go, Mark Golden? Where are you going? What do you have so important to do more than the people's work? The work that the people of Jungle elected you to do. Where you go? Mark Golden? You are the highest paid politician in the country. And you're not setting no example. You just come and mark your name and then you're gone again. You never, ever, ever stay until parliament done. Why? Why, Mark Golden? Where you going? Boy, people of Jamaica. Well-thinking people of Jamaica, labor rights and comrades. Can you know what I am realizing? I am realizing that there's a lot of PNP people who watch me. Because at night time, they now tap up the screen and then now subscribe to my YouTube channel. I mean, I feel like a labor right I do that. I feel like a PNP. So PNP people, I want to ask you a question. Where Mark Golden go at daytime, at Tuesday daytime? Because Mark Golden has been campaigning from 2021. Almost 4 years, Mark Jefferson Golden has been going around the country trying to convince the people of Jamaica to vote for him. In campaign on the Integrity Commission, he campaign on corruption. In campaign, he try to make a house in Westmoreland without steal, and him still not gain no traction. He's still trailing Andrew Holness in the polls. So Mark Jefferson Golden, where are you going? Every single Tuesday, Mark Jefferson Golden come to the parliament late and leave early. Is that so, Mark Golden? Is that the best you can do for us, the Jamaican people? Is that what we should expect in case you become the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Mark Golden? Talk to me. Is what we have to expect from you if you become the Prime Minister of this country, Mark Jefferson Golden? Because it don't look good, Mark Golden. I tell you the truth. As a labor right, I tell you the truth. It doesn't look good. Every single Tuesday, you come to the parliament and you leave long before the session ends. And a one-day parliament keep for. You can't sit still for 3 hours. Mark Golden? You cannot sit still for 3 hours, Mark Jefferson Golden. Where are you going? Somebody text me today when me text and somebody ask the person say, why Mark Golding nasty in the parliament? Somebody text me and tell me say chew bunting no today. So Mark Golding, you can't survive without bunting. You can't survive without bunting, Mark Golding. You are the highest paid politician in the country. And every single Tuesday you come to the parliament. And before the parliament session is over, you get up and gone. You have no respect for the people of Jamaica. And another thing, Golden. Want to know the motion you bring last week? No confidence motion. You bring it back today. It lasts. It drop out your briefcase. Mark Golding, the no confidence motion that you brought to the parliament last week, it dropped out of your briefcase. When you go downstairs to the gleaner, it dropped out of your briefcase. Somebody step on it, or the janitor sweep it out. Come on, see you come back with it this week. You learn your lesson. I know you never come back with it, okay? After you're a fool. After the embarrassment we get last week from Prezi. After the embarrassment we get last week from Minister Pernell Charles Jr., you could have never come back with the garbage there today. Imakibi, after the embarrassment when you get last week Tuesday from Minister Charles, you could have never come back to the parliament with the garbage there. You're shame, man. Yeah, man, that's how we have to do you now, man. We not joke with you no more. We not joke with you no more, Mark Jefferson Golden, because you're taking the piss now, man, Marky G. You're taking the piss. You know, better waste your time and come with that garbage today. So you never have no political gimmickry to come with today. You know, better stay till parliament over. You never have no gimmickry for you and Angela Brown Burke and the rest of you know. With your 13 musketeers, you know, but I stay till the parliament end today. That's how for do you, man. We have you under heavy manners. Heavy manners. Yes. So moving forward, Mark Jefferson Golden, nobody now play with you. No more gentleman business in the parliament as far as you is concerned. Because you go too far now. No more gentleman business with you. And you come with your political game last week. And because we run you out of parliament with it this week, you know, better come back with it. Or you send it to the clerk to table it next week. What you do? Have you under manners, man? Learn your lesson. So, guys, today when me catch the parliament, I not catch it from its start. And when me look round, I not see Mark Golding. Me say, where is Mark Golding? Where is Mark Jefferson Golden? And by the way, speaking of Mark Golding, one comrade, that's what I'm going to look for the name. One comrade inbox me on TikTok. And I go make me know, say, oh, me a tell lie for Mark Golding. And say, oh, him company investing $20 million over NASA. Comrade, PNP people, I read or no can't read. I don't understand. I don't deliberately act stupid. Which one of them? Comrade, one job's money. One, your name there, Jesus Christ. I read or cannot read. I don't deliberately act stupid or what. I read from the article verbatim. I don't still say, I make up the story. You don't go on to the Bahamas Tribune, go read the story. You say, but I don't want to read it too, no Betsy. Go on Busty. Go in the Bahamas Tribune and go read to yourself. Mark Golding Company proven is investing $20 million lending it to the Bahamas government to build low income housing. You never see it one job. One job money, you never see it. The Bahamas Tribune. Go and read it. The Tribune Bahamas. Type in the Tribune proven and it will come up. I can't read it. Mark Jefferson Golding Company proven. is lending the government of Bahamas $20 million to invest in low-income housing. What do you mean by a lie? Me I tell, I'm going to read from the article. What do you mean? I'm not delusional, I can't believe. When you can't believe so no Marky G, when I run up and down and talk about time come and do that, don't it? When you can't believe in Busty, when you can't believe all the people in a constituency still be able to door and Marky G are investing in Bahamas. That's how it go. Because Marky G don't really care about you know. Marky G not be all Marky G want on a vote. All Marky G want on a vote. Now guys, Labor Rights and Friends and Comrade, the Spark program is on the starting block. This one jog, you send me a request. Program is in the starting block.
Good night. Good night.
All the dirty PNP people and dirty Andre Stefano Stevens.
Good night,
what about the Spark program?